Hello and welcome back to the Charles Coin and Bullion Dealer YouTube channel. I'm Christian and today we're going to be giving away this 1 kilo silver coin, personally punked by Silverpunk himself. So over the last month or so we've been running a giveaway on Discord and a lot of you have joined the giveaway by entering your details into our newsletter. It is completely free and thank you to everybody who has joined. So today we're going to be doing the giveaway. Everyone's names have been put into a automated spin wheel generator and the wheel will spin and pick out one lucky winner. So without further ado, we will select a winner now. Good luck everyone. Here we go. The winner of this coin will be contacted by ourselves today and hopefully we will hear back from you soon. So the winner is Paul. Congratulations, Paul. And what we're going to do is we're going to try and give you a phone call if we have your number on file. So I've got my lovely assistant Amy here. Have we got Paul's number? We have. Okay. So, Paul, we will be giving you a call now and fingers crossed we can get hold of you. If not, we will send you an email. So here we go. So congratulations to Paul. We did try and give him a call, but it did go to voicemail, so we will send him an email instead. And commiserations, like I said, to anybody else who entered the competition. So be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for future giveaways. And thank you for joining us today, and we will see you again soon. Bye for now.